Okay, this is going to be a real quick one. This is the Bugland Picnic Area in Grand Canyon National Park. We're between 5 and 10 miles west of the Desert View or East Rim Lookout Point. There is a pit toilet, tons of parking, there's picnic tables there, and there's a few more over there. Roxanne and I actually used this picnic area quite a few years ago. And it's nice, it's quiet. You don't have much of a view of the actual canyon. There is some view out there. Not much at all. Yep, but thought I'd show you guys another little picnic area in the Grand Canyon. We'll show you another one too. I'll make this a multi-picnic area video so you can get an idea of how many different ones there are. Here's one real close to Grand Canyon Village. Not very exciting, but this one even has a fire pit. And here at Mather Point we got lots of picnic tables. You could even call this a picnic area. Unbelievable! Look out there. Picnic tables everywhere. Now we've taken the free shuttle bus west of the main entrance to the Rim Trail. So these are not official picnic areas, but along the Rim Trail here there are a number of picnic tables with unbelievable views. If you wanted to bring a lunch with you and stop somewhere, I'm sure you'll find an empty table. There's so many of them. So there you have it. Lots of picnic options at the Grand Canyon. Thanks for taking a look, and I hope you get to have a picnic out here one day.